They say that of all the senses, sight must be the most delightful. Today, I would like to create awareness about cornea transplant surgery, which is a wonderful surgery which can restore your eyesight and change lives. In this surgery, the damaged cornea, which is the front portion of the eye, is replaced with a healthy donor tissue from a diseased donor. And most of cornea transplant is amongst the most successful organ transplants, success rate often exceeding more than 90%. As far as recovery is concerned, most patients usually go home the same day. Where is cornea transplant surgery indicated? In what conditions do we do cornea transplant surgery? Patients whose eyesight is affected because of damaged cornea due to infections, due to burns, injuries, bulging in keratoconus, cornea swelling after surgery, or in inherited diseases. Two very important points in cornea transplant. The color of eye does not change after this surgery because healthy cornea tissue is transparent. Second important point is that the whole eye is not replaced. It is only the front portion that gets replaced. Cornea transplant can be done by various techniques. One is full thickness cornea transplant, in which the entire cornea is replaced. It is known as penetrating keratoplasty. The other is lamellar keratoplasty, in which partial cornea thickness is replaced. Only the layer which is diseased is replaced. Modern cornea transplant techniques like DALK, DSEK, DMEC ensure improved visual outcomes, better safety, and better healing. In the end, I would like to stress one very important point. This surgery is possible only because of the generosity of the eye donors and their families. It is a very noble act because even after life ends, your vision can continue in someone else's eyes. I would like to stress this point that your one decision of eye donation after your life can bring light to multiple lives.